it's Mimi. So I'm back at it again with trying new snacks from different countries series. This is part 2 and I'm so excited to be trying these. We have some chips and we have these like Oreos with like this filling, like vanilla filling. So I'm so excited to be trying these and then I'll also be rating them. Let's start with the Lay's chips. This one is steak flavor, so I'm so excited. And by the way, these are 3 parts of trying these new snacks. So there's gonna be one more part after this. Ooh, this smells like steak. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Cheers, guys. Wow. It tastes just like steak. It's so good. And it smells just like it too. Amazing. I give this a 10 out of 10 because it says steak flavor and it's steak flavor. It smells like steak. Amazing. I love it. 10 out of 10. Now, we're going to be trying the Oreo one with the vanilla filling. So excited. Oh, I'm going to open the box. Ooh, they come in this little pack. So excited. That's what it looks like. Right here. Perfect. Ooh, guys, check it out. This is what it looks like. Let me close up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what it looks like. All right, let's see how it goes. You guys can see the filling? So good. I love it a lot. A lot. I'll give this a 9.5 out of 10. I love it. So good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Part 3 should be up soon. Stay tuned.